Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 4.4 question number 4. Solve the following riddle. I am a number. Tell my identity. Take me 7 times over and add a 50. To reach a triple century, you still need 40. Right? Let the number let let the number let the number let the number be n. Therefore, according to the question, 7 times over, that is 7n, right? 7n plus 50, add a 50, then add 50 numbers. To reach a triple century means 3 into 100, right? And you still need 40, that means plus 40, right? Plus 40. We will solve this equation, that is 7n, 40 plus 50 is 90, is equal to 300, or 7n is equal to 300 minus 90. Now it is equal to or 7n is equal to 300 minus 90. 300 minus 90, 0, 1, 210 is equal to 210, or n is equal to 210 by 7. 7 3 is 21, 0, or n is equal to 30, right? Therefore the required number is 30. This is the answer.